What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today is our second full day in Antigua. Today we're going to be going through the western part of the island. We're going to be going through Fig Tree Drive, up through Jolly Beach, and then lastly to St. John's. We're going to be checking out the markets there, and the town, and everything else it has to offer. So let's go. So we are now on our way to Fig Tree Drive. Should be a beautiful sight. I'll try and get some cool shots of that. So let's get to it. Just finished up on Fig Tree Drive. We are now headed to Darkwood Beach. Should be a nice sight, so I'll see you when we get there. So we just arrived here at Darkwood Beach. Beautiful blue waters. This is the side of the island that gets the Caribbean Sea rather than the Atlantic. So the waters are a lot more clear. There's nice shades of blue. It's a beautiful beach. So we just finished up at Darkwood Beach. Very nice beach to chill out on, beautiful waters. We are now on our way to Jolly Beach. We're gonna check that out as well. Chill out there for a little bit and I'll let you know how it is. So we just arrived here at Jolly Beach. And again, the waters are amazing. A little bit more commercialized than the other beaches, which is totally fine if you want to do jet skis, kayaking, anything of that sort. This is the place to be. Awesome spot. So we just finished up at Jolly Beach. We are now on our way to get some food. I'll let you guys know how that is, and I'll see you then. So we just finished up here at Sheer Rocks. It was served tapas style, so we got to try a lot of cool foods. Would definitely recommend it. Nice view when you're eating of the blue waters. It was great. So now we're on to St. John's. We're gonna check that out, and yeah, I'll see you there. So we just went through St. John's, and now we have arrived at Fort James. Just gonna take a quick pit stop here, check this out. Should be cool. James. This was a really cool historical site here. Now we are on our way back in St. John, check out some of the local shops in the market. So I'll see you guys there. So we just arrived here in St. John's. We're gonna check out the cathedral that's right in town. So it is closed, unfortunately, but I'll try and get the best shots that I can. It's a beautiful cathedral here in Antigua, right in the center of St. John. So this is the best we can really do with it being closed. We're gonna now head down towards the markets and see if there's any cool things we can find. So I'll see you there. So we just finished up in St. John's. Not as much as we thought there would be there, but it was still a fun time, and that's all that matters. So now we're gonna head back to English Harbor, and I'll see you then. So we just finished up exploring the western side of the island, and it was absolutely amazing. The waters were beautiful, food was great, can't say enough about it. Tomorrow I'm gonna be scuba diving, so stay tuned for that. And that's gonna conclude day 2 in Antigua.